Copy. We are expecting.
The thermal cover is open.
Copy.
The outer thermal cover on the Quest airlock opens just as the International Space Station flies 258 statute miles over Miami.
I go to egress.
Affirm, Tamai. You can egress the airlock with crew lock bag number 1. We'll have you verify the forward hatch pit pin is engaged.
Copy. I'm egressing the airlock. Forward hatch pit pin engaged. Up to down local feather. My crew lock bag.
Copy. You can get that crew lock bag on your VRT, and when you're ready, give Shane a go for egress.
Copy. Come back in. A little bit. When you rest on that lower bag. Yeah. Okay, I got BRT right on it. BRT on the crew lock bag. Bring back out. I have the red on it of my BRT. You can release.
And our first view of Thomas Pesquet, extravehicular crew member number 1 today, wearing the suit with the red stripes, representing the European Space Agency today as he begins the 3rd spacewalk of his career.
Yeah, I got it. Got it. Nice. I have a ret on the IDA bag, cable bag, released from airlock tether. Copy.
Copy, Shane.
When you're ready, Tomas? I'm ready. You can come out. Okay. Good car. Yep. Straight, you'll be good. Yep, nice. On the lights. Go ahead and close the whole cover with you. Yeah, I gotta come back. You gotta come back. That's right. The bats are on my lights. Yeah.
Copy. Now that you're both egressed, you can turn on your HECAs, and we're ready to copy
Rotate your right shoulder.
buddy check when you are.
Standby, Jeremy. Rotate your right shoulder, Shane. What's that? To your right shoulder. Rotate. There you go. Good. Thanks. Okay, Jenny, can you say that again?
Okay, I copy. You can turn on your HECAs when you're ready, and then I'll copy buddy checks when you're ready.
Hey. Guys, on. Go on. Let me get this thing untangled here. Come on. What? Get the red untangled throughout my checklist. go underneath. You have to bring it back to me. It's around my safety tether too. Yeah. Okay. And release from your left arm.
Once Kimbrough is outside to join Pesquet, we should be seeing our first view from helmet cameras. Each crew member has two types of helmet cameras, the conventional ones that you are accustomed to seeing with Pesquet's number on his helmet camera of 20 in the lower right-hand corner once they're activated. Kimbrough's helmet camera number will be 22. They also will be turning on high-definition cameras that are mounted on their spacesuits for even better views of some of the work that they'll be doing once they reach the P6 truss on the far left section of the backbone of the International Space Station. Shane Kimbrough now on the right in the unmarked suit. Extravehicular crew member number 2 has joined Pesquet outside. They will make sure that they have all of their tools and tethers configured properly before they begin to make their way out to the P6 truss.
Okay. I think now we're good. Sweet. Yeah, nice work. Okay. So, you ready for body checks? Ready? On you, I see 2 green LEDs. Then going down, I see 3 tabs up. And then look at your left shoulder. 3 tabs up for BRT. 2 handles down. And I see the waist tether is going from your right steering extender locked black on black to the L-up waist tether. Locked black on black, both the big hook and the small hook. Looks like a good toothpick. Okay. And you got the IDA bag on your main workstation, right? Yeah, that's what it is. Alright, I see 2 green lights on you. Lights are on, bars are down. The workstation tabs, 1. And 2 are up. The RT tab is up. Safer handles are down. I see your safety tethers just out your left side there. It all looks clear. Your rock bag looks good behind you. I think you're in a good config. Okay, sounds good. With that, Jenny, if you agree, I'll make my way to P1.
Copy. Good buddy checks. I'll just take a baseline HAP check from you, and then we can get to translating to Ma.
Correct. And the HAP is dry for V1. Dry HAP, BD2.
Copy, dry HAPs. With that, Thomas, you're right. You can translate to P1. We're looking for Bay 12. I'll have a mile marker for you when you're ready. And Shane, you'll be attaching the cable bag bundle to the APFR and airlock with 12.
Copy.
Shane Kimbrough reporting good configuration of all the tools and tethers, the HAP reference made by them and SpaceWalk communicator Jenny Seide here in Mission Control is the acronym for Helmet Absorption Pad. That is the device in the spacewalkers' helmets to do exactly what it's implied, and that is absorb any perspiration or other condensation that may build up inside their helmets during the course of the spacewalk. The 2 spacewalkers placed their suits on internal battery power at 7:11 a.m. Central Time, 8:11 a.m. Eastern Time to mark the official start of this spacewalk. The 239th for station assembly maintenance and upgrades, the 7th for Shane Kimbrough, and the 3rd for Thomas Pesquet.
All right, I'm on phase 1. The fixed bed is clear. My report.
Copy, Thomas. You're looking for mile marker 9180.
9180, copy, Jenny, thanks.
Good words, just under the FHRC.